it's a capital R, right? IR, then system. Unknown objective identified subtype. SNMP translate. TP, then IR. Why is that? SNMP translate. Then TP, then yeah, I'm going to change this R into simple. Oh, no. What is the issue here? I will type this again. SNMP, then translate, then I'm going to give the flag here, TP flag, then I'm going to use IR flag also, IR flag, then system. Right. So it gives me the pretty diagram of section of the MIB tree. Okay. Okay, right. Then I move into SNMP get. Okay, SNMP get command. Okay, so SNMP get command can be used to retrieve data from remote host given its host name, authentication information, and OID. Okay, so um, so this command is used to retrieve a value of one or more specified management information based objects from the target SNMP agent. The syntax typically involves specifying the IP address or hostname of the target device. The SNMP version community string and the OID of the MIB objects you want to retrieve. When you execute this command, it sends an SNMP GET request to the target device. And upon receiving this response, it displays the value of the requested MIB objects. Okay. Then I'm going to give this SNMP get. Then you have to give the version here, version 1, then -C, then demo public, then test.net hyphen snmp.org, then keep space here, then system up time, then 0. Okay. Test.net and snmp.org, system uptime. Let's see. Okay. Unknown hostess dot net snmp.org, such a file or directory. Okay, so why is that? SNMP get, then version, then you have to give the version here, then version 2 here, then C demo public, then test.net, then snmp.org, then you have to keep a space here, then system dot sys uptime, then dot 0, then it's also said the no such file or directory. Then I will try the another command, snmp get, then version 2c, then -c, then demo public, then test.net, then hyphen snmp.org, then system uptime dot 0. It's also said no such a file or directory. So a common mistake when you're using the SNMP get command is to leave off the index into the data you are looking for. In the above command, the variable request by the OID is a scalar, and the index scalar is also always simple 0. Okay. Then hence the trailing is 0 in all OIDs above. If you had left it off, you would have gotten an error. Note that errors differs slightly between SNMP version 1 and SNMP version 2. Okay. So I will try SNMP get, then version, then 1, then keep space here, then C, then demo public, then test, then .net, then snmp.org, then sys up time. This also have some spelling mistake, I think so. SNMP get version.